So today's project, tow mirrors. So company reached out to me, Sanooer, and they offered to send me some tow mirrors for my truck. This is a 2006 Chevy Silverado with the 4.8 and the 4L60, aka the 4L Slippy. Yes, I know it's not the best transmission engine package for towing, but it does get the job done. I'll be looking to tow a small trailer with probably some lawn equipment, and maybe go out and pick up a vehicle for, you know, upcoming projects every now and then. The truck works, it gets the job done. I'm not going to be towing all the time heavy, just every now and then. Tow mirrors, do you need them? Yes, maybe no. I think it's a good safety feature, and that's what we're going to do. Be a lot safer on the highway, merging lanes, all that type of stuff. So let's go ahead, let's take this thing apart, go through the installation, how to install it, and see how well they look. All right, so we're going to start on the passenger side. It's the same thing as the driver's side. First things first, let's pop this guy out. Let's take this, pop this out. Now there's a bolt right in here. It's a 7mm. This part right down here, we need to pop that out. Plastic trim tool is our friend. Now right over here on the armrest, there's another 7mm. And then on the bottom, just feel around for it, another 7mm. Lift up. And then our connectors, they come out pretty easily. Push down on the tab. And we can kind of just let things hang right over here. If you're worried about the wires and connectors, it'll be fine. Now the only thing we need to disconnect is the connectors for the mirror. Let's take our wire cutters, cut these out, put fresh zip ties later on it. And there's another one right up here. Pull out this sound deadening insulation foam. Should be good. Now in here, there's 3 bolts. They're 10s. I dropped it, so I'll never see it again. Hold on to the mirror so it don't fall. Now there are these little plastic tabs. You should be able to just squeeze them with one hand, pop them out, and we're able to feed out our mirror. Now keep these because, well, number one, you can sell them, or number two, hold them on for later if they do break. Comes in a big box. Very well packaged, I will say. Comes with an installation manual. It's colored. I mean, this manual probably costs more than these lights, but still. I will talk about briefly how to set up the lighting, but unfortunately I won't be able to set up the lighting, and I'll get to that in just a sec. Now these are heavy. I think this is the right side. Alright, so other side. Multi-function removal tool. That's pretty cool that they give you that. Probably should have opened this thing up instead of using my own tools and trying to hunt them down. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, nice. Mine is kind of worn out, so I have new ones. And there we go. So now, pretty heavy duty. Comes with the feature for the heated mirrors. I can't remember if my truck has it or not. For the turn signal, this white light could be set up for when you have the reverse lights on. And then we have the wiring, so we can hook up this light over here and the light in the front. Now, unfortunately, I can't legally hook these up in my state. My state has this thing where it has to be, you can't have auxiliary lights in the front, you cannot have non-DOT approved lights, and from what I'm gathering, I don't see the certification for DOT on them, so I'm not going to be able to hook them up. But in a nutshell, to kind of go over it so you folks know how to do it, your gray is going to be your ground, so you're going to hook that up to the ground. So when you feed it through the grommet inside the door, you can hook it up to a ground, and then this, you can send it up to your fuse box. In the fuse box, they should be a fuse for the trailer harness. That's what I would mount it up to. There's one for reverse, and I'll show it when we get to the truck. But there's one for the reverse light, which is the white, and there's one for the parking lights, which is blue. That's where you would piggyback it into. It's very simple. You can actually get one of those jumper fuses, which will make it a lot easier to do. But like I said, unfortunately, I can't hook it up in my state, but it's fine. All right, so one thing I do like that they did, because I can't use this feature, can disconnect it like so, and that way I don't have to feed this and have it dangling. So disconnect that, and now we need to feed it through here. Which one goes here? Another one goes through there. Oh, there we go. Then the holes. Let's get these 310s popped in. Zap them in. So installation's pretty simple, looks pretty good. And definitely will make things a lot easier and safer when towing. So like I said earlier, there is lighting over here. I believe it's a white light that comes right over here. There's also another one. This one could be for the reverse, and this one is for forward facing. But like I said, in my state, if I'm driving around and these lights are on in the front and they are brighter than those and they don't have non-DOT lights, you can get pulled over for that. So I'm not gonna mess with that just because I don't need that, but it still would be a cool feature. I think probably if I was to wire it, I would wire it into the turn signal, and I think that would look really cool. So over here at the fuse box, like I talked about, these are the ones right up here for the trailer. So there's a trailer park, right, and then the left. So there's a trailer park, there's the right, there's the left. So you can wire it into here, so you have the parking lights on the right and left side. So you could just jump into these, and that's one way to get those lights working. But like I said, if I was to do it, I would probably do it into the turn signals. I'd have to find the fuse and wiring for that. That'd be a little more involved. Well, maybe not too bad involved, but something that I think that would look really cool. So overall, easy installation, pretty decent quality. Pops in, pops out, adjusted as need be, and you're ready to go. So thank you to the company for sending it to me. This will definitely make a difference in my tow experience. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and let's go fix something else.